Today we start chapter 1, number system. We already know so many types of numbers, that is natural number, whole number, fractions, integers, rational number, etc. We recall all these one. Number. What is meant by number? Number means that something we would count. Means count करने के लिए क्या use कर रहा? That is known as number. It can be natural number, whole number, negative number, rational number, so on. Natural number. Now, first we have learned about natural number. In our smaller classes, that is first and second class, we already first class, we are familiar with the numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. So this is known as natural number. Here 0 is not included. In that time we are not aware with the 0. Then after that we introduced 0. That means when we learn subtraction, then 2 minus 2, 3 minus 3, then that new number we introduce, that is 0. Now 0 included with the natural number, that is known as whole number. Whole number. That is 0 included with the natural number. Here also it is indefinite numbers are there. Next we learn about fractions, decimals, and in 6th class we learned negative numbers. Negative numbers. Negative numbers means the numbers that opposite to that positive integers. Positive numbers, we can say positive numbers. That is 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. That is, they are the positive number, and we introduce a negative number, the opposite of this positive, and it is denoted as -1, -2, so on, minus infinity. Now, this positive number and negative number and 0 included our integer. Integer. Integer means that negative number, -2, -1, 0, 0 included, 1, 2, etc. These are known as integer. In integer, fraction numbers will not come, only positive whole numbers and the negative of that number, and we include 0. Now, this natural number is denoted by N, and whole number we denoted by W, and integer we denoted by Z. Now next is rational number. Here we have also learned that fractions and decimals also. So the new number system is our rational numbers. Rational numbers means rational numbers. Rational numbers means which are written in the form of P by Q and Q not equal to 0. That means if Q becomes 0, the division of P by 0, that is division of 0 is not defined till now. So Q not equal to 0, then the number is known as rational number. That means whichever may be written in the form of P by Q, that number system is known as a rational number system. So for example, 2 by 3, 4. That means 4 divided by 1. 0, 0 divided by 1. But 1 by 0 we can't write it. So here rational number means it is written in the form of P by Q, where Q and Q is not equal to 0, and P and Q are, we can say, co-prime. What is meant by co-prime? The HCF of P and Q are 1. Or we can say that P by Q is always in simplest form. Now, irrational number. Irrational numbers are those numbers which cannot be written in the form of P by Q. That is, which number cannot be written in the form of P by Q? This number can also be say it is non-terminating non-repeating number. Non-terminating, non-repeating number. That means what is meant by non-terminating, non-repeating number? Here, decimals are divided into two types of number, that is terminating and non-terminating. Now, what is meant by terminating? Terminating means when we divide a number by other, the remainder should become 0. That numbers are known as terminating number. That is, let us 2 by 5. If we divide 2 by 5, the answer is 0.4. That means after some times the 1 or 2, the remainder will become 0. So 4 by or 4 by 6, that is 2 by 3. Now look, 2 by 3. 2 by 3, if 2 divided by 3, it is 0.26, 3 are 18, then 2, 20, again 6, 3 are 18, again. That means that remainder is continuously going on. It will never stop. That numbers are known as non-terminating number. That means after sometimes the remainder will goes on. It will not end. So that number is known as terminating. Here in terminating there are two types of non-terminating numbers. That is, one is non-terminating repeating and the other is non-terminating non-repeating. That means after some decimal place, the number should be same, repeating same thing. And here non-repeating means 2.10201320 like so on. So here decimal is divided into two parts, that is terminating and non-terminating. Terminating means after if we divide a number by other, the remainder will become 0, 1 or 2 steps or from the beginning also. So for example, it is 2 by 5, 1 by 8, so on. These are the examples. And here the examples are 1 by 3, 2 by 7, so on. Now here the examples are non-terminating, non-repeating number. Non-repeating, that means the same number is not repeating. The remainders are different. So that number is known as non-terminating, non-repeating number. This is known as irrational number. That non-terminating, Non-repeating number is known as irrational number. For example, 1.1030401000. That means if we want to find out the next term, we have to divide it in, then only we will get the next term. Up to here, we don't know the next term, then we have to divide that remainder divided by that quotient, then only we get the next number. Here, more examples are under root 2, under root 3, under root 5. That means under root prime numbers are always non-terminating, non-repeating numbers. These are also known as, these surds are known as surds. These are known as surds, irrational number or surds. Now these rational number and irrational number together be known as real numbers. That means in real numbers, all the number system which we have already learned are included. That means natural number is already included in rational numbers, and whole number, negative number, integers, fractions, decimals, and irrational number. All these numbers are including in our real numbers. So in number line, if we draw a number line, in this number line we can represent all these numbers. That means this is known as real number line. We are saying that the number line is real number line. So here there should be natural numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Now next whole number from 0 it is the now negative number, -1, -2, -3, so on. And in fractions 1/2, 3/4, like that we can substitute it. Yeah, we can find out the point of fractions, and decimals also are there. And irrational number also, irrational number, let us, we take root 2 is a rational number. So root 2 is 1.41 something. It also we can represent in number line. So this normal number line, till now we are saying that number line, but from onwards we can say real number line, because this real number containing all the number systems.